Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Let me ask you something. Have you ever set a daily alarm on your phone, like for morning jogging or taking a medicine, but forgot to turn it off when you didn't need it anymore? And on the next day, it's Sunday morning. You're finally sleeping in, and your phone still rings at 6 a.m. sharp. Annoying, right? Well, that's exactly how Cronjobs work on your website. They're like automatic alarms for your server, sending emails, taking backups, or running scripts. But if one of those jobs becomes unnecessary or misconfigured, it can mess things up. That's why today, I'll show you exactly how to edit or delete a cron job using cPanel. If you're looking for fast, secure, and affordable web hosting with an intuitive cPanel dashboard, then YouStable is your best bet. Thousands of developers and entrepreneurs trust YouStable to manage their websites smoothly. And with their expert support, even tasks like Cronjobs become a breeze. All right, now let's dive right in. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click the Cronjobs. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Current cron jobs are listed here. There is an edit option in front of the cron job we want to edit. Click Edit. Scroll down. You can change the time and frequency of a cron job. For example, let's change it once a day to once an hour. After making the required changes, click the Edit Line button. That's it. We have successfully edited the cron job. Let's see how to delete a cron job. Go and click the Delete button. Click Delete again. That's it. The cron job has been successfully deleted. Now you know how to edit or delete a cron job. Thank you for watching.